Every 36 seconds, a child is injured in a car accident in the United States. That's according to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, and it's a statistic no parent wants to think about. But it's exactly why choosing the right family SUV isn't just about cup holders and cargo space. It's about protecting what matters most. The Insurance Institute for Highway Safety just released their 2024 crash test results, and out of dozens of SUVs tested, only a handful earned their highest Top Safety Pick Plus award. These aren't just good ratings. We're talking about vehicles that could literally save your family's life in a crash. I've analyzed the latest crash test data from both IIHS and NHTSA, along with real-world safety performance statistics, to bring you the 5 SUVs that don't just meet safety standards, they set them. If you're a parent shopping for your next family vehicle, these are the only 5 you need to consider. Starting at number 5, we have the Subaru Ascent, a 3-row SUV that's rewriting the rules on family safety in the midsize segment. Most parents think bigger automatically means safer, but crash test engineers will tell you that's not always true. What matters is how that size is engineered to protect your family. The Ascent proves this point perfectly. The 2024 Subaru Ascent earned a perfect 5-star overall rating from NHTSA and the IIHS Top Safety Pick Award. But here's what makes it special. It earned good ratings in all IIHS crash tests, including the challenging moderate overlap front test and the side impact test that simulates a T-bone collision at an intersection. What sets the Ascent apart is Subaru's EyeSight driver assist technology, which comes standard on every trim level. This system includes automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross traffic alert. According to IIHS data, vehicles equipped with automatic emergency braking reduce rear-end crashes by 50%. The Ascent also features Subaru's ring-shaped reinforcement frame, which distributes crash energy away from passengers. In IIHS testing, this design helped the Ascent achieve some of the lowest injury risk measurements in its class. But impressive as the Ascent is, the SUV at number 4 takes family protection to a level that even surprised safety engineers. The Honda Pilot has been a family favorite for years, but the redesigned model takes safety seriously with engineering that goes far beyond the basics. Here's something most parents don't realize about crash safety. It's not just about surviving the impact, it's about walking away without life-changing injuries. The Honda Pilot excels at both. The 2024 Honda Pilot earned NHTSA's 5-star overall safety rating and IIHS Top Safety Pick status. In the small overlap front test, one of the most challenging crash scenarios, the Pilot earned a good rating, meaning the safety cage remained intact and injury risk stayed low. Honda sensing comes standard on every Pilot, including collision mitigation braking, road departure mitigation, and adaptive cruise control. But here's the standout feature. The Pilot's cross-traffic monitor doesn't just detect vehicles, it also identifies pedestrians and cyclists when backing out of driveways or parking spaces. According to NHTSA data, backing accidents injure over 18,000 people annually, with children under 15 making up a significant percentage. The Pilot's comprehensive monitoring system addresses this exact concern. The Pilot also features Honda's advanced compatibility engineering body structure, which uses multiple load paths to absorb crash energy. In real-world accident analysis, this design has shown a 20% reduction in serious injuries compared to previous generations. What makes the number 3 SUV even more impressive is how it combines this level of safety with luxury that doesn't compromise protection. At number 3, we have the Acura MDX, proving that luxury and safety can coexist without compromise. Many premium SUVs focus on comfort and technology, sometimes at the expense of crash protection. The MDX proves you don't have to choose between luxury and keeping your family safe. The 2024 Acura MDX earned NHTSA's 5-star overall rating and IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus, the highest award possible. What's remarkable is how consistently high its scores are across every test category. In the roof strength test, the MDX supported over 18,000 pounds, more than 4 times its own weight. Acura Watch comes standard and includes features that actively prevent accidents before they happen. The pre-collision system uses both camera and radar to detect potential collisions up to 5 seconds before impact, giving the system time to brake automatically if the driver doesn't respond. But here's where the MDX really shines. Its blind spot monitoring system is among the most advanced available. It doesn't just detect vehicles in your blind spots, it can identify motorcycles and even large bicycles, thanks to its sophisticated radar calibration. The MDX's body structure uses what Acura calls their ring of steel design, with ultra-high strength steel in critical areas. During IIHS side impact testing, this structure kept the passenger compartment intact while absorbing tremendous force, the kind of protection that could mean the difference between minor injuries and something much worse. Insurance Institute data shows that MDX occupants have a 15% lower fatality risk compared to the average luxury SUV, making it not just comfortable, but genuinely protective. The SUV at number 2 takes this protection philosophy even further with technology that seems almost futuristic. The Volvo XC90 sits at number 2, and if you know anything about automotive safety, this won't surprise you. Volvo has been synonymous with safety for decades, and the XC90 represents everything they've learned about protecting families. Here's a fact that might shock you. Volvo has a stated goal that by 2020, no one should be killed or seriously injured in a new Volvo car. The XC90 is their flagship example of how they're achieving this vision. The XC90 earned NHTSA's 5-star overall rating and IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus award. But the numbers only tell part of the story. In IIHS testing, the XC90 achieved the lowest overall injury risk scores in multiple categories, meaning occupants are statistically less likely to be hurt in any type of crash. Volvo's city safety system is standard and can detect vehicles, pedestrians, cyclists, and even large animals. The system can automatically brake at speeds up to 30 miles per hour to avoid collisions entirely, or reduce impact speed if a crash is unavoidable. But here's where the XC90 gets truly innovative. It features runoff road mitigation. If the car detects you're about to leave the road unintentionally, it can tighten seatbelts and adjust seat positions to minimize injury during the potential impact. The XC90's cage structure is built with boron steel, the same material used in some military applications. During the roof crush test, it supported over 20,000 pounds without significant deformation. Perhaps most impressively, real-world accident data from Europe shows that XC90 occupants have a 50% lower serious injury rate compared to other luxury SUVs. That's not just good engineering, that's life-saving technology. But the SUV at number 1 doesn't just protect your family, it anticipates danger before it even becomes a threat. At number 1, we have the Genesis G570, an SUV that represents the absolute pinnacle of automotive safety engineering. Most safety systems react to dangerous situations. The GV70's technology works to prevent those situations from ever occurring in the first place. The 2024 Genesis GV70 earned NHTSA's 5-star overall rating and IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus award. But its real achievement is in the details. In the challenging small overlap front test, the GV70 earned a good rating while maintaining remarkably low head injury risk scores. Genesis Safety Sense includes Highway Driving Assist 2, which doesn't just maintain your speed and lane position, it actively monitors for potential hazards up to 200 meters ahead. The system can detect stopped vehicles, debris, and even anticipate lane changes by other drivers. The GV70's Forward Collision Avoidance Assist can detect and respond to vehicles, pedestrians, and cyclists, but it also includes junction turning and lane change collision avoidance. According to Genesis data, this system reduces accident risk by up to 60% in complex traffic scenarios. The body structure uses what Genesis calls their superstructure design, with strategically placed ultra-high strength steel that creates multiple energy absorption zones. Real-world crash data shows GV70 occupants have among the lowest serious injury rates in any class. These 5 SUVs represent the best combination of safety engineering, real-world protection, and family-focused design available today. From the Subaru Ascent's standard all-wheel drive safety to the Genesis GV70's predictive collision avoidance, each offers proven protection for what matters most. If this video helped you understand what to look for in a truly safe family SUV, hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth automotive safety analysis. Now I'm curious, which of these 5 SUVs would you choose for your family, and what safety feature matters most to you as a parent? Let me know in the comments below.